Reshni and welcome to Cells Tutorial. Today's video is all about hair growing, the causes, remedies and the important yoga poses to help speed up the process. So watch this video till the end so that you can grab an idea about how you can reverse your hair grey and get back to your original hair color. The root of every strand of hair is surrounded by a tube of tissue under the skin which is called as hair follicle. These hair follicles have certain number of pigment cells, and these pigment cells constantly make a chemical called as melanin that gives the hair its color of brown, black, blonde, red and anything in between. As we get older, the pigment cells of our hair follicle gradually die. When there are fewer pigment cells in our hair follicle, then the strand of hair will no longer contain as much melanin and gradually become more transparent in color like grey, white, silver as it grows. First, hormonal changes. One of the most common reasons for hair graying, especially in women. Conditions like puberty, pregnancy, menopause, stress, thyroid, over-medication, insomnia, PCOS can cause hair graying. Second, environmental factor. When a person is in extreme conditions like excessive physical activity, overexertion, overexposure to sunlight, keeping yourself up late at night, inhaling polluted air can cause premature graying. Third, chemicals. Use of too much chemical products like shampoo, conditioner and even some of the hair oil which are high in chemicals, and frequent use of such product can cause premature graying. Fourth, smoking. When a person smokes cigarettes, the blood vessels get shrink and it blocks blood circulation to the hair follicles, and gradually melanin starts to die and it makes hair lose its original hair color. Fifth, imbalanced diet. Over and under consumption of food both is dangerous. Overconsumption of alcohol, sugar, salt may also lead to graying of hair. Eating in moderation is very important for overall proper functioning of body. Coming to the home remedies that will create difference are first, curry leaves with coconut oil. Curry leaves, which is high in vitamin A, B, C and B2, helps in revitalizing hair root. It helps hair follicle to restore natural color pigments and thus prevent premature graying. Boiling curry leaves in coconut oil and leaving it for a good amount of time, let the oil ferment, and what we are left with is the oil that will actually work. Second, amla, the Indian gooseberry. 100 grams of amla contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. Amla consumed in any of the way is the unbeatable way to reverse hair grey. I consume it every day in a form of candy. Amla was just boiled in water with little bit of sugar and then sun-dried. That's it. It tastes better than any of the candy, and obviously when you know how healthy and helpful it is, it will obviously and automatically taste better. Third, hibiscus water. Another remedy which is available probably in every house is this hibiscus flower. It's night right now, but this medicinal flower is super high in vitamin C, phosphorus, calcium and iron. Just soak a couple of these flower in water for overnight and rinse your hair in the morning. Even the dumbest will see difference in your hair, and it's edible. Coming to the yoga postures which are beneficial for reverse hair graying are first, Ustrasana. For doing Ustrasana, put yourself straight on knees, place your hand on wrist and gradually move your upper body back and then place your hands over your ankle. Keep the chest raised and chin tucked. Stay there for a couple of seconds and now slowly exit the posture by bringing back chin towards chest and hands over hips. Engage your lower belly and use your hands to support your lower back as you come up slowly. Second, Matsyasana. Lie down with your elbows and forearms flat on the mat. Keep your forearms in place and raise your chest by rolling your shoulder back. Feel your body creating a big band. Place your head on the mat and keep your legs engaged and toes active throughout. Stay there for a couple of seconds and then slowly come out, putting the pressure on your forearms and gradually head off the floor. And then release upper body to the mat. Third, Apana-asana. To begin with, lie down with your legs and arms extended. As you exhale, take your knees close to the chest and lock your arms over shin bone. Keeping back straight on the floor, now slowly tuck your chin and touch it to the knees. Do it for a couple of seconds and keep your breath smooth and even. With an exhalation, release your locked position, get down on the floor and rest. Fourth, Sirsasana. Just in case you are a beginner, make sure you have someone to hold you or a wall would be better. So start off with getting yourself on knees and put your elbows and forearms on ground flat. Lock both the hands and there's the place to keep your head. As your head finds a good place, put your entire body weight on your head, elbows and on toes. Keeping back straight, start putting one leg on air and gradually another. Keeping body back straight and put both of your legs up and now hold the position for some time. As you want to go down, slowly put your legs down and then get yourself on child pose for regulating blood flow and slowly getting up. Apart from these, there are more yoga poses for reversing grey hair like rabbit pose, downward dog pose, forward pose. Basically, every single posture which makes blood circulation upside down. It's not like grey hair are bad. It's natural to have them and sometimes embracing them can help you internally and externally. I have them too and I am fine with it. But if you want your original hair color back, just try one of these remedies and you will see the difference. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Comment down which of the remedy helped you and I'll be back in my next video next time. Till then, bye bye.